Hello, welcome to CareerWise. This series is about how to prepare for your board exams. Now I know people are confused. You have the ICSE board, you have the CBSE board, and you have the state board. The state boards are a bit challenging, but I'll come to that later. As far as the ICSE board is concerned, the 10th standard term starts somewhere here in March. CBSE and state board typically tend to be somewhere around this period. Nevertheless, regardless of whether it's ICSE, CBSE or state board, the first target you need to remember is you've got to complete the entire syllabus by the 31st of December over here, and depending on which board you are in, somewhere between Feb and March 2014, you have your final exams. So you need to complete the syllabus by December 13, and then the remaining period over here is to be utilized for 10 full-length test practice and revision. So in part 1 of this capsule, we'll just look at the big picture, and then we'll drill down as to how to go about it in part 2 of this series. So we know that we have to finish the syllabus by December 13, and we have roughly 8 months to do the needful. The main subjects, regardless of which syllabus you are going to do, you need to spend about 350 hours on maths. You need to spend about 300 hours on science. You need to spend about 200 hours on languages. Over here I would just like to make a comment. It's 100 hours per language of 100 marks each. So if you have 2 languages out of the entire syllabus, then it's 200 hours. If you have 3 languages and the third language is for 50 marks, even then it becomes, although the marks are 50, you still need to have 100 hours. So it's basically 100 hours per language. And then you have your social studies, which is history, geography, civics, political science, economics, so on and so forth. Depending on state and syllabus, it varies. Nevertheless, this needs about 200 hours, and everybody is shocked now because this total is coming up to almost 1000 hours of studies. And then a lot of you are wondering, I have to go to tutorials or coaching class or tuitions, I have to go to school, how do I manage the whole thing? Believe me, the whole thing is absolutely manageable. In this part, first get the big picture clear. Syllabus completion by this time, 10 full-length tests and practice in this period, and broadly this is the budgeted time. Now in science, for those of you who are good at drawing, can cut down some time over here. And those of you who are weak at drawing, which is very important for biology, then you might need to budget a little extra time here. A little bit of flexibility can come in here and there. And please bear in mind that when this big picture has been created, we know that a lot of you would be going, all of you would be going to school, and a lot of you would be going to coaching classes. So we know that out of all this, about 30% to 40% is what will be covered in school and tutorials. We are aware of that. So depending on how much is covered in school, it's not possible to cover more than 25% of the syllabus in class. The rest has to be done as homework. And tutorials again would be about 30% to 40%, and the rest would be assignments. So those fine tunings can be done. This includes all those hours as well. So nevertheless, whatever happens outside of school, outside of your coaching class and tutorials, you still need to budget for a good 600 to 700 hours in this time period. How to go about that, we'll cover in the next session. Thank you.